Today's class we are going to see volume 2 optics. In that, book back multiple choice questions. In the first one, the speed of light in an isotropic medium depends on four factors are given: its intensity, wavelength, nature of propagation, the motion of source with respect to medium. What is an isotropic medium? Isotropic medium is a medium whose refractive index is same in all directions. Example, vacuum, where the speed of light is 3 into 10 power of 8 meter per second. We know velocity is displacement by time taken. Now, we shall write that to be d by t, or in terms of wavelength, it is v is equal to lambda by t we can write. What is 1 by t? It is frequency mu. So I could write this v is equal to lambda into frequency. What about this frequency? It is constant. So we can say the speed of light depends upon the wavelength. So we can write that to be the option B. The speed of light in an isotropic medium does not depend upon the intensity, it does not depend upon the nature of propagation, and it does not depend upon the motion of source with respect to medium. It depends upon the wavelength. The next one, a rod of length 10 cm lies along the principal axis of a concave mirror of focal length 10 cm in such a way that its end closer to the pole is 20 cm away from the mirror. The length of the image is asked. What is the length of the image? Now we can have here the concave mirror. This is the pole of that mirror. Now, in the question it's given that the rod of length 10 centimeter. So here this we consider here the rod of length 10 centimeter. This is along the principal axis. This is a principal axis. And the focal length of that mirror is given to be F is equal to, it is 10 centimeter. By sign convention, we know that left side of the mirror, we have that to be negative, and if we take that to be the on the right of the mirror, it is the values are taken to be positive. Here this is negative, so I can write this F is equal to minus 10 centimeter. And it is also said that in such a way that its end closer to the pole, this is the end closer to the pole, is 20 centimeter away from the mirror. So from this end to this end, it is 20 centimeter. This is 20 centimeter. Now it is asked, what is the length of the image? We shall consider the rod to be AB. The end B from the pole is 20 centimeter. So now we have to see where is the image formed and what is the length of the image. The mirror equation is 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. This is a rod's position at this end. It is 20 centimeter. So we can take this to be U. This is that object distance. To find the image distance, we can write 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. The position of the image of end A to the mirror is 1 by V suffix A is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. F is equal to minus 10 centimeter. U is equal to, from this position to here it is 20 centimeter, and the end A we have to consider this length of the rod also. So your U distance is this 10 and 20. So this is left side of that mirror. So it is minus of 10 plus 20, it is minus 30 centimeter. 1 by VA is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. So 1 by VA is equal to 1 by minus 10, it is F, minus U value is minus 30. So just simplify this, you may get 1 by VA is equal to minus 20 divided by 300, that is equal to minus 1 by 15. 1 by VA is minus 1 by 15 means VA is equal to minus 15 centimeter. So from that pole of the mirror, the image of the end A will be at 15 centimeter. Let us name that to be A dash. The position of the image of the nearer end B to the mirror is 1 by VB is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Here the end B to the pole, its distance, U distance is 20 centimeter. Therefore, we have F is equal to minus 10 centimeter, it's given, and U is equal to minus 20 centimeter. 1 by VB is equal to 1 by minus 10 minus 1 by minus 20. After simplifying, we may get 1 by VB is equal to minus 1 by 20 means VB is equal to minus 20 centimeter. So we have got the position of B dash at this point here. This is 20 centimeter. So we can name this to be B dash here. So this is A dash and this is B dash position. So we have to find what is that distance we have to find. So this is 20 and this is 15. So we can find what is that image distance. 20 centimeter minus 15 centimeter, that is 5 centimeter. So the answer is option B, 5 centimeter. Third question. An object is placed in front of a convex mirror of focal length of F and the maximum minimum distance of the object from the mirror such that image formed is real and magnified. It is asked at what position we will be getting a real and magnified image by using this convex mirror. We know that convex mirror produces virtual images. Only the concave mirror produces a real image. Here in the question we have the convex mirror. So in this we have none of the options are correct. So we have this option D to be the correct one, none of this.